5 Best Drill Bits. Here is the product number 5. Mini Micro Aluminum Hand Drill. Features for aluminum hand drill hobby. Mini wood hand drill check for jewelry tool micro twist bit. Precise, accurate and efficient. Suitable for wood, plastic, rubber, model and others material to drilling hole. Perfect for drilling wood, ginkgo, linden, horn, amber, olive, walnut, plastic and other materials. Here is the product number 4. Double-side damaged screw extractor drill bits. Specification: fast, convenient, disassemble screws, tacks. Rapid, portable, remove the screw, pipe, bolts have been damaged. Speed can be changed in the opposite direction of rotation of the drill in conjunction. Uses: special tools for removing the wood and the head has been broken with screws, stud in to give a head with screws drilled. Easy to use to take another head screws. Here is the product number 3. Toofit 1PC HSS Steel Titanium Step Drill Bits. Features: HSS Steel Large Step Cone Drill Titanium Bit Set Hole Cutter, which is made from high quality HSS steel. Deburring, chamfering, elliptic hole enlargement, twist drill. The function of them was unable, but it is possible. Work while water cooling can effectively extend the service life of drill bit. Recommend drilling a rate of 250 RPM. Here is the product number 2. 50 pieces titanium coated drill bits. Specification: HSS drill bit set for wood, plastic and aluminum. Ideal for DIY, home and general building, engineering using. Cannot use for stainless steel material. Containing sizes: 1mm, 1.5mm, 2mm, 2.5mm, 3mm. Material: high-speed steel with titanium coated. Here is the product number 1. HSS Steel Cone Drill Bit Set. Key features: 3-step bits, 4 to 12, 4 to 20, and 4 to 32 mm. Automatic deburring. High-speed steel material, HSS. Item specifics: brand name skin. Length: 100/73/65 mm. Model number BT3. DIY supplies metalworking. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.